find that your blower doesn't work very consistently, that it surges, maybe even has a mind of its own and suddenly takes off and does its own thing, or doesn't work at all. Now granted, if it doesn't work at all, it could be the blower, but the vast majority of the time it's going to be this final stage resistor. In this 330, the blower doesn't work at all. And not only is that an inconvenience as far as heat and that sort of thing, but it's actually a safety issue. So as you deal with your car fogging up and that sort of thing, you can't unfog your car. That's a real problem. And so it's something that and if you have a similar problem, you should get on this as well. This is not that hard, and the tools that you need are only a few, and it's going to take a little while. This is inconvenient. This is the sort of thing you take it to the shop, they're going to charge you a lot of shop time to do, just because it takes time to do it, and you have to kind of bend upside down to get underneath your dash. Now, I've also seen some recommendations where you have to tear the whole dash off to get there. That's crazy. In this case, all you have to do is take your glove box off, and then you can get to where this resistor is, though it takes a little bit of acrobatics to get there. So, why don't we get out of the car, get started, and I'll show you how to do this.